yeah, the beast, hard as a rock. This is Beast, made on the structure of Toyota AC Limited AE100 1994 model. As I have fully restored the car, if you don't understand the difference between restoration and repairment, you have no business to watch this video any further. Watch the ignition to have a feel of the engine condition. I really wanted to take this video out there in the broad daylight, but unfortunately it's raining out there and it's kind of dark in the garage, so the actual color may not be, may not be seen. But anyway, I'm trying my best to give a actual feel of the car as I restored and modified it. Now let me show you the modification that I did. First you see the grill. The grill is not the grill that the Toyota AC Limited and this kind of cars originally come with. I replaced that grill with this design. And then the license plate. In the Toyota AC Limited or the 100 cars, the license plate are not there where you see on this car. The license plates are below this level, they're here somewhere, so I put it up higher, and then you see the frame around the license plate. The fog lights, I imported from these fog lights from the China, and these are not yellow fog light, these are white. Also the headlights, there are 20,000 K LED bulb in these lights, and also the headlights are new too. Okay, so next, the color combination. The color is metallic gray and metallic gray on the body, and the bumpers, spoiler, looking glasses, then this part, door handles, these are all matte black. So, and then you see the wheel, you see the red inside the wheel. That's the rear wheel. Added the spoiler also. Oh yeah, the beast, hard as a rock. beast, the killing machine.